Hello and welcome to the BMC Quick Course Series. My name is Frank Rhodes and I'm the Solution Architect for the BMC Db2 Administrative Products based out of Austin, Texas. In this session, I will be showing you how to define the BMC AMI DevOps for Db2 plugin modules to your Jenkins orchestration tool. It is assumed that you have already visited the BMC support website and downloaded these files that are needed to support the DevOps for Db2 product. The first thing that you need to do is actually log into Jenkins, and then the Jenkins dashboard will display, and now you click the Manage Jenkins link here on the side. From the Manage Jenkins dashboard, you will click the Manage Plugins link. That will bring up this display, and now I will select the Installed tab. Now you're able to see all of the plugins that are currently installed for use by Jenkins. As you can see, there are currently no BMC plugins defined to Jenkins. So let's go ahead and click the Advanced tab up here. Since you've already downloaded the BMC AMI DevOps for Db2 plugin from our website, you need to select Choose File under Upload Plugins option in the middle of the screen. Simply point to the Schema Management HPI file that was downloaded in the zip file earlier and then select Open. Now tell Jenkins to go ahead and upload this file. We now need to install the second plugin HPI file. Click Manage Plugins from the links on the left side of your display. Now let's click the Advanced tab again. Then click Choose File to tell Jenkins what other HPI file we need to install. We had initially selected the BMC AMI DevOps for Db2 Schema Management HPI file. Now we need to select the DevOps Common HPI file. Please click the Upload button again. When Jenkins uploads this file, it takes the code that BMC has written and it makes it available to you to use via the Jenkins tool. But it will require a restart of Jenkins to make the code available to you. So please go ahead and select the Restart Jenkins checkbox. This will restart Jenkins as soon as the tool has no active jobs or builds running. So as you can see now, Jenkins is restarting. This is going to refresh all of the internal caches and make the plugin modules provided by BMC available to you for use. After the restart is completed, you need to go ahead and log back into Jenkins and then click the Manage Jenkins link here again. Now go and click the Manage Plugins link. Lastly, select the Install tab here at the top. Now you can see that the BMC AMI DevOps for Db2 plugins are installed and available for use on your Jenkins system. Thank you so much for your time, and if you would like any more information on any of the BMC mainframe products, please visit the URL shown here.